In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a student survey with Google Forms in just 5 minutes. Google Forms is a fantastic tool for creating surveys quickly and efficiently, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Whether you need to gather feedback, conduct research, or simply want to organize your information effectively, Google Forms has got you covered. First, let's head over to Google Drive. You'll need a Google account for this, so make sure you're logged in. Once you're in Google Drive, you're going to want to locate the New button. It's usually in the upper left corner of your screen, and you'll click on that to create a new document. Among the options, you'll find Google Forms. Click on that, and a new form will be created in a blank format ready for your customization. Now that you have your blank form, the first step is to give it a name. This will be helpful later when you're looking for it among other documents. Simply click on the top where it says Untitled Form, and type in a title such as Student Survey. Next, we'll move on to creating our questions. Start by adding a question for the student's name. This will ensure you're able to identify who's responding. For this, select Short Answer as the question type. Don't forget to toggle the required option so that students cannot skip this question. After that, let's add another question for the student's class. Again, you'll select Short Answer and make sure to click on Required. By making questions mandatory, you ensure that respondents will fill out that particular piece of information, giving you complete data for analysis. If you need to add more sections to your survey, now is a good time to do that. You can organize sections by clicking on the Add Section button, which divides your form into various parts. This is particularly useful if you need the survey to cover different topics or areas. For each new section or set of questions you add, remember to keep the format consistent and user-friendly. People are more likely to fill it out if it's straightforward and easy to understand. Once you're done adding all the necessary questions and sections, it's a great idea to preview your form before sending it out. There's a handy preview icon at the top right of the form editor that lets you see exactly what your respondents will see. By taking a moment to review, you ensure there are no errors and that everything is neatly laid out. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've created a professional and effective student survey using Google Forms. Now you're ready to distribute it to your respondents and start collecting valuable data. Thank you for watching, and happy surveying.